Today, I'm going to show you how Immuta can automate data access approvals directly within the Snowflake Marketplace. Right now, I'm working as a data consumer. I'm working on a new product market fit analysis, and I want to look at this marketing campaign Q3 table within Snowflake. As you can see, I don't currently have access to this table. That's not a problem though, because I can browse my internal marketplace and see if there's any data products that will fit my needs. So I'll click over here, I'll look at my data marketplace, and I can see there's this Customer Intelligence Hub data product. If I look in here, I can see there's Q3 marketing campaign results are included within this data product, which looks like this will fit my requirements. When I request access, this is going to take me over to the Immuta provisioning workflow screen, where I can request access for myself or on behalf of someone else. I'm going to go ahead and fill out these responses. So I need access for my analysis. I'm going to answer these drop-down questions, which is all customizable within the marketplace provisioning workflow. So I can go in here and say, no, I won't be sharing this data with external partners or vendors. And then how easy is it to request access to data using Immuta? I'm going to say this is remarkably easy. I can also review the data use agreement, and then I can also see what data sources I'm going to gain access to if approved for this particular data product. I will submit my request. You see that's now pending. And then I'll switch over to the screen of the data approver, and I can review that request and then approve. So if I go to access requests here, I can see that Remy's request is pending. If I click this request, I can see the justification that Remy provided. I can see the answers and the responses along with the data use agreement. I believe Remy is allowed to have access, so I'm going to continue to my determination. Based on this use case, I think Remy should only have temporary access. So in this scenario, I'm going to temporarily approve Remy's access for 1 month. Approved, I'll provide my justification and submit my determination. And that's it. Really easy to process this approval. If I switch back to Remy and refresh my screen, I can see I'm now temporarily approved here in the Immuta provisioning screen. And if I switch back to my Snowflake platform and rerun this query, I'll see I now have access to this table. Furthermore, Immuta masking policies are in place that are already redacting sensitive information. So I know I can work with this data safely without exposing any customer information.